Hi, thanks for clicking the video. A sub to this channel will be absolutely fantastic. This video is part of early 2023 CES coverage. Earlier in 2022, HP launched the Omen 17 premium gaming laptop with an Intel Core i7-13700H and an Nvidia GeForce RTX 3070 Ti GPU. The company will be bringing a refresh of the Omen 17 laptop, possibly at CES 2023 with up to an Nvidia RTX 4090 laptop GPU. A Twitter user with ID at momomo_US spotted HP Omen 17 laptops all powered by Core i7-13700HX Raptor Lake HX CPUs, but with several RTX 40 mobile options including the RTX 4060 with 8GB, RTX 4070 with 8GB, RTX 4080 with 12GB, and RTX 4090 with 16GB VRAM. The listing with the RTX 4080 and above feature a Quad HD display while the rest come with a Full HD panel. The price for the laptops ranges from $2,225 for the base model to $4,079 United States dollars for the maxed out version. According to rumors, the Core i7-13700HX has 8P cores and 8E cores with boost speeds of up to 5 GHz. Apart from the sporadic leaks we've already seen from websites like Video Cards and so on. However, there is still little information available about the RTX 40 series mobile GPUs. It is important to keep in mind that the mobile versions of the GPUs will likely have significant performance differences, probably lower, from the larger desktop versions. The 450W TGP of the desktop RTX 4090 card can be boosted to 600W. However, Adder Lovelace mobile GPUs are probably limited to a 175W TGP due to the thermal and power restrictions that laptops have to deal with. We however expect Nvidia to detail improvements to Max-Q and Dynamic Boost technologies and how DLSS 3 would be leveraged to further boost FPS in supported games. Nvidia has not yet made things official, but an official reveal during the company's CES 2023 keynote is highly possible. Don't hesitate to subscribe if you will like to follow more CES 2023 update. Thanks for watching. Please like, leave a comment and watch our other videos.